Welcome to Economic Growth Path, where we discover that money is a tool for building a life rich in value. Many believe wealth is only about hoarding cash, but true financial freedom comes from knowing exactly how to spend wisely. We are transforming the conversation from mere frugality to strategic spending that amplifies your health, wealth, and your overall happiness. Today, we explore 15 powerful ways to deploy your capital effectively, categorized into 4 essential pillars for a better life. Before building a skyscraper, you must secure the foundation, starting with aggressively paying off high-interest credit card debt immediately. Eliminating these financial burdens guarantees an instant return on investment equal to the interest rate you are no longer paying. Next, establish an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses for safety. This cash buffer provides the psychological security needed to make bold career moves without the fear of sudden financial ruin. Protect your greatest asset, which is your ability to earn income, by purchasing comprehensive health and disability insurance policies today. With the safety net securely in place, we can now focus on aggressive offense by spending money to make money. Investing in yourself through books, courses, and workshops is the only asset class that no market crash can ever erase. Acquiring high-income skills increases your earning potential exponentially, offering returns far greater than any traditional stock market investment could offer. Dedicate funds to financial education so you can understand taxes, asset allocation, and market cycles to manage your wealth better. Once you have the knowledge, put your money to work in the markets through low-cost index funds and mutual funds. These investment vehicles allow you to own a slice of the global economy, letting compound interest work its magic over time. The goal here is not get-rich-quick schemes, but consistent contributions that build a massive portfolio for your future financial freedom. Spread your investments across different sectors and geographies to minimize risk while capturing the growth of the world's best companies. Now that your money is growing, let us look at how spending can reclaim the one resource you cannot renew. Time is your most finite resource, so spending money to buy back your hours is the ultimate form of luxury. Hire cleaners or laundry services to handle repetitive chores, freeing up your mental energy for high-leverage work or relaxation. Do not waste hours fixing a leaky faucet yourself when a professional plumber can solve the problem in 20 minutes. Calculate your hourly rate and outsource any task that costs less than what you can earn during that same hour. Invest in premium software and high-quality tools that streamline your workflow and eliminate technical friction from your daily operations. Consider living closer to your workplace or using ride-sharing services to turn commute time into productive work or rest time. Every dollar spent on efficiency is an investment in your productivity, allowing you to achieve more with significantly less effort. With more time on your hands, you must ensure your body and mind are capable of enjoying that freedom fully. Your body is the vehicle for your life experience, making health investments the most critical spending category for long-term happiness. Sign up for a gym membership or hire a personal trainer to ensure you maintain physical strength and cardiovascular health. Paying for fitness creates a financial commitment that motivates you to show up even when you do not feel like it. Spend more on high-quality, nutrient-dense whole foods instead of cheap, processed meals that slowly destroy your energy and health. Consider essential supplements like vitamin D or omega-3s to fill nutritional gaps, but only after consulting with a medical professional. Schedule comprehensive blood work and health screenings annually to catch potential issues early before they become expensive and dangerous problems. We spend 1/3 of our lives sleeping, so buy the best mattress and pillows your budget can possibly afford. Quality sleep regulates your hormones, repairs your cells, and sharpens your mind, making it the foundation of peak performance. Do not neglect your mind. Therapy or counseling sessions are powerful tools for navigating stress and understanding your emotional landscape. Subscriptions to meditation apps or relaxation tools can significantly reduce anxiety and improve your focus throughout the chaotic workday. Regular dental cleanings and vision checkups prevent pain and deterioration, ensuring you can smile and see clearly for decades. A healthy body and a wealthy mind set the stage for the final pillar, creating joy and lasting memories. Spend money to take inspiring people out to dinner, as these conversations can open doors to new opportunities and perspectives. Building a strong network is not just about business. It is about surrounding yourself with people who elevate your thinking. Schedule regular date nights with your partner or fun outings with your children to deepen the bonds within your family. Psychological studies consistently show that spending on experiences brings more lasting happiness than buying material goods like cars or gadgets. Material objects eventually degrade or become boring, but fond memories tend to become even sweeter as the years go by. Travel is the ultimate expenditure for growth, exposing you to new cultures, cuisines, and ways of living around the world. Stepping outside your comfort zone through travel rewires your brain and provides a refreshed perspective on your own daily life. Spending money on others through thoughtful gifts or charity releases endorphins that create a profound sense of purpose and connection. Invest in hobbies that bring you pure joy, whether it is painting, playing an instrument, or hiking in nature. Life is a balance between preparing for the future and enjoying the present moment with the people who matter most. We have covered investing in assets, buying back time, optimizing health, and curating memories to build a truly wealthy life. Review your bank statement this month and ask yourself if your spending aligns with these values or with temporary impulses. Money is a terrible master, but an excellent servant. So take control today and direct your resources toward meaningful growth. Thank you for watching Economic Growth Path. Subscribe for more insights on mastering your money and upgrading your life journey.